Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
No, collision insurance does not cover the other car in an accident. Collision insurance only pays to repair or replace the policyholder's car when it is damaged in an accident, regardless of who is at fault for the wreck.
Take our lead.
To figure out whether it's worth what you're paying for it, start with the value of your car and your deductible. If you have a $1,000 collision deductible, it's not worth paying for collision coverage on a vehicle worth $1,000 or less. This is the most you could get from a collision claim.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Collision insurance is a coverage that helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident with another vehicle or object, such as a fence or a tree. If your car is paid off, collision is an optional coverage on your car insurance policy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.